What's going on YouTube? This is Vincent from Vincent Trombley Fitness, and today we'll be looking at how to take a proper measurement of your arms, because as you all know, the only way to be taken seriously in the fitness industry is to have a sizable pair of arms. The minimum measurement you want is 17 inches. And so the first step into taking your arm measurement is to tell your audience that you're completely cold and you haven't worked out in at least 72 hours, and that you're completely fasted. That way they know that your arm measurement's legit. Of course, the first thing you're going to want to do before you start filming is to get a good pump on. Just to be sure. You have a good pump on and you told your audience that you're completely cold and you haven't worked out in 72 hours. Next thing you want to do is actually measure your arms. Now they do sell these amazing little devices that make sure that you're getting a good, clean, accurate reading. So you just grab it, put it around your arm, and you take your measurement. Hold on. It says 16 inches. Now, I think what's going on here is that we're not actually being accurate in our reading, so we'll have to take some advanced measuring techniques. Clearly this thing's broken because it's telling me that my arms are 16 inches, and we all know that can't be accurate. So we're going to ditch this one, and we'll just, keep it with the old school stuff. Now the first thing that you're gonna do is that when you go to measure your arm, you gotta pretend like you've literally never seen a tape measure in your life. So, oh geez, that's so complicated. Hold on. And then you just want to make sure that you're keeping that tape super loose, and see, just like that, get a way more accurate reading, because your arm's actually 17.5 inches. So that's proper. And now you know that I can be a proper fitness expert. And you should be listening to me. So there we have it, folks. How to measure your arms if you're a fitness YouTuber. Thanks for watching, and have yourselves a great day.